Tuesday, May 8th, 2:30 a.m. Mountain Time, 2018. Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at the situation out in Hawaii. I got a brief update I want to share with you guys regarding the fissures, the volcanic activity. Big situation underway in Hawaii, and it doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. But first, I'd like to thank Tyler for sharing these pictures out of Rock Creek on Highway 3 up in British Columbia. You can see this highway is under some tremendous stress. Kind of goes along with the theme that we've been seeing out in Hawaii. You know, the land is going through some tremendous stress. However, out there, it's due to lava. This here, I'm not exactly sure what's caused this. He was quite surprised by the way the road looked today, so he sent pictures in. In fact, this one and then two others, and you can see it's almost wavy. Look at that. Keeps it up, they'll probably have to close that road soon. Big crack there, more waves. Don't know exactly what's causing it. Some sort of land movement that's buckling this road. That's a good sized buckle right there. The location is right up here on Highway 3, just west of Rock Creek. Don't know the exact location of those things that I just showed you in the road, those buckles, but they're right in here on Route 3, west of Rock Creek, he said. So thank you, Tyler, for sharing that. Appreciate it. If you guys have any pictures or anything like that that you want to share, you can also send them to reports@mbb333.com. The situation out in Hawaii, I just got a brief clip I want to share with you from a geologist, a USGS geologist, that made a statement today and answered many questions, and one that resonated with me about the situation. Overall, you're looking at, this here is the Kilauea Summit, and normally this is where the lava is at. It's up towards the rim. It's normally full, and this is where it's at as of 9:45 Hawaii time today. It's way low. So the situation out there is far from over. I do have a brief clip of a statement from a geologist that I'll finish up the video with. She was asked a couple questions, and doesn't look like this event going on in Hawaii is anywhere near over. Her name is Julie Baab, I believe.
Where it's been and what might come next.
That was just my next question. Have you seen anything that gives you any indication one way or another of what might come next?
Well, I think what we can say is this is not over. The seismicity continues. There's still magma within the rift zone, and so I think for this foreseeable future, this eruption is likely to continue.
Does that mean the possibility of another major earthquake that we saw earlier?
Earthquakes are still a possibility because anytime you have a large earthquake like the magnitude 6.9 on Friday, there can be aftershocks, and fairly large aftershocks for weeks and months after a major earthquake.
So there you have it. She's talking weeks, possibly months, that this could continue out here in Hawaii. So hopefully it won't get any worse. Hopefully things will improve, but it will be a long duration event the way it looks. So we'll do more updates tomorrow. We'll check in with our friend Akaika Marzo tomorrow, see what he's up to. Great guy that's been doing good field reports from the fissures. There's actually 12, officially now 12 fissures in the Leilani Estates subdivision in Hawaii. And that number looks like it's going to continue to grow. All right, guys, we'll do some more updates later on throughout the day. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.